How do you clean tinted windows? I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to do this. You're going to need a couple of microfiber towels and an ammonia-free cleaning solution. First, you're going to lightly spray the inside of your window and wipe it with the first microfiber towel. Lightly spray the inside surface of the tint and wipe with your first microfiber towel. While you're doing this, you might notice a little bit of some streaks left behind, and that's okay. Then I'm going to take my second microfiber towel and wipe any streaks that I might have left behind. Then I'm going to repeat that process on the outside of the car for a streak-free finish. Keep in mind, all of window tint is installed on the inside of the glass, so technically you can use anything you want to clean the outside as long as it's not going to damage the glass itself. Just be careful on the inside. There is a scratch-resistant coating, but dogs' claws and kids' toys can still scratch. And there you have it. That's how you clean your tinted windows. This is Dane from Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.